How to force dark mode for apps on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. And then from here, scroll down and tap on advanced features. Next, tap on labs. Then we scroll down and then tap on dark mode apps. Here say choose apps that will always use dark mode even when your phone is set to light mode. If an app is set to use light mode, in the app's settings it will appear in light mode regardless of what you set here. So for YouTube, I can turn it off so that it can use light mode or dark mode based on my system settings. So if I open up the YouTube app in here, and here we got YouTube in light mode. If I go in here, so back into settings, so we go back down to advanced features, then we go into labs and then tap on dark mode apps. Yeah, we'll force it to switch on and I'll go back into YouTube. Now you can see it is forced in dark mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.